Hello, my name is Shafi and I'm a volunteer. The lack of employment opportunities for high-skilled third country citizens like myself is a problem that needs to be addressed. Despite being here for a year now, I haven't been able to find a job in my field. Instead of working, unfortunately, I have spent a lot of time dealing with bureaucratic obstacles and rigid administration. Currently, I volunteer as a translator and try to raise awareness about this issue. I believe it's crucial for Croatia to make this process easier and to start welcoming people who want to work and settle here. That's why we have to advocate together for better employment opportunities in Croatia.